In this video, we'll look at actions to change page. So simply put, for example, here we have this first page going from our home page, and when we click on the button, it brings us to our second page, page 2, and then we have a button again to bring us back to our home page. So here we have a page with a simple column and a button inside it, nothing super special. And if we click on the button, we'll usually have this here, and on top you can click on actions. If you click on actions, you can add actions, and then what we want to do is on tap or double tap or long press, but we'll use on tap. We navigate to page 2. So here's page 2 and we click on it. Perfect. Then we do the same for page 2. So we click on the button, we go here, it was like here, and we can click here on actions, add actions, navigate to, and then we have the home page, which is just here. Perfect. And that's that. So now we can test it out. Here we are, we click on button and it brings us to page 2, we click on it again, brings us back to home page. For one thing you can see when we click on it, it seems to like swipe every single time. And if we want to change the effect, we can also do that. So we go back here, and here let's just go on our home page and button. And here underneath you see that there's a transition type. For the moment on default, but for example we can use instant. So let's just try instant and change it and then test it again. So we go back here, instant reload. And when we click here, as you can see, it straight away changed it, but as we didn't change it for page 2, that one will still swipe, and this one will be straight, and then it'll be a swipe. And going back here, so that's an instant, a transition type, but there's many others. There's a fade, the slide up. You can play around with these different types, but in general, personally, I prefer to keep it just on default. And that's it for actions going from one page to another.